So you're interested in learning how to ride a motorcycle. Perhaps you've already signed up for a rider training program and it's time to find the appropriate gear. The problem is, where do you get started? There's literally hundreds of helmets. There's airbags, neck braces, textile jackets, leather suits, big shiny boots, and more gloves than you've ever seen in one place before. So what do you actually need to get started? For most motorcycle training programs in the United States, the rules are pretty much the same. You're gonna need a 3/4 or full face helmet with DOT compliant sticker, eye protection, a long sleeve shirt or jacket, protective gloves, jeans with no rips or tears, and a pair of sturdy over the ankle boots. While there's gonna be motorcycle specific gear in all of these categories, chances are you're already gonna have a jacket, pants, and boots in your closet that will be acceptable to get you started. The two motorcycle specific pieces of gear you're gonna wanna consider are gonna be a helmet and a pair of riding gloves. Should you fall off your motorcycle, chances are your hands are the first thing to hit the ground. And motorcycle gloves are made of materials like leather and synthetics that are less susceptible to tearing should you come off your bike. In addition to protection, comfort and mobility should be a top consideration when you're picking out a pair of gloves. You shouldn't feel any kind of restriction when operating the controls on the bike. You should be able to easily manipulate everything. If you have an improper fitting pair of gloves, it can cause muscle fatigue, which makes it harder to operate the throttle, brake, and clutch. Helmets. The most important consideration when choosing your first motorcycle helmet is that it fits correctly for your head size and shape so that it's comfortable to wear for hours on end. Now, if you're not sure where to start, you can check out our How to Size and Buy a Motorcycle Helmet Guide. All helmets sold in the United States have to carry a Department of Transportation or DOT compliant sticker, but you could also consider a helmet that carries a Snell safety rating or an ECE rating showing that it's undergone additional safety testing. Helmets have come a long way in the past few years, and there are a lot of great helmets out there at an affordable price point for beginners like you. So come ride with us. Whether you've been dreaming about riding a motorcycle your entire life or you're just now toying around with the idea, you can click the links below to learn how easy it is to get started on a motorcycle today. And once you've got your license, you can come back and check out all the motorcycle content and gear that we have to support you on your riding journey for years to come.